In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just in need of a fresh start within your account, this quick process can help you re-establish control and clarity with your financial data. We will carefully walk through this procedure, and by the end, your QuickBooks will be reset, clean, and ready for new data. Let's get started. First and foremost, we need to head over to QuickBooks Online. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once there, you'll want to look toward the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will take you directly to the login screen. This is the doorway to accessing all your QuickBooks data and settings. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and type in these credentials. Make sure that you enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're having trouble with your password, there's always the option to reset it via the Forgot Password link, usually found nearby. Once everything looks correct, click the Sign In button again to proceed. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves going to a specific URL that allows us to purge the company data. For this step, type in or navigate to the URL qbo.intuit.com /purge company. This link is a key part of the reset process, so please ensure it's entered correctly. Once at this URL, you'll see it has a more complex structure, and you'll notice we need to focus on modifying it slightly. You may observe some text towards the end of the URL. What you want to do is delete everything after the last /. This might seem a bit technical, but it's a straightforward technique to prepare the page to initiate the purging process. After doing this, replace the text you've deleted with the word Purge Company. So your URL should end with Purge Company. Press enter on your keyboard to confirm and proceed. The next page that loads will give you an opportunity to confirm this action because you are about to permanently delete the company data currently in your QuickBooks Online. At the bottom right corner, you'll see a field where you need to type in yes. This is a confirmation step to ensure that you're absolutely certain about purging the current company data, as this action cannot be undone. Once you've entered yes, you're ready for the finalizing step. Look for the OK button nearby, typically on the same line as where you typed yes. Clicking this will officially execute the reset process of your QuickBooks Online account. It's important to be well prepared before reaching this step. Ensure any data you might need in the future has been backed up or archived, as once this purging process is initiated, it clears the existing company data completely, allowing you to start fresh. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you have successfully reset your QuickBooks Online account. This reset can be a powerful refresher for organizing your finances and setting up your account exactly how you like it. Always feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or guidance on resetting your account. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.